Reporting to you live from Ruby Villas here on Caye Caulker. We're about a 5-minute walk south of the heart of the downtown area here on the island, and I am going to be taking you through a new construction project, Ruby Villas. This is a unique property here. It is one of the only condo properties, true condo properties south of the split. This is important for somebody who wants easy access to town, easy access to the water taxis, to the airstrip that's right down the street here. Very, very convenient location. We're going to be looking at high quality construction properties, 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms, 7 condos in total, and a lot of amenities here. And the developers are putting in the pool. Really exciting to see. What I like about this property is, again, that the developers have been very thoughtful with the design of the amenities. So pool over here, outdoor decking, flower beds, bathroom right over here, bodega space, utility area, and upstairs is a spectacular rooftop lounge that we're going to take you to towards the end of the video. So stay tuned as we walk through the property with us. All right, behind me on the first floor, those are 3 1-bedroom units. Second floor are 2 2-bedrooms, and then the third floor is also 2 2-bedroom units. 2 properties have already been sold here. 2 condos have already been sold, leaving 5 at this point. Seller financing is available, but let's take you through so you can see how nice they're really looking. So entering into the 1-bedroom here on the east side, there is the door behind me. That is the utility closet over there with the instant hot water heater and the water breaker. Right over here, this can be shelving, and then more pantry and storage. Stackable washer dryer in every unit. We have made it to one of my favorite parts of the property, which is an expansive rooftop over here. There is covering over here. The developer is putting in a grill and an outdoor cooking area. There's a bathroom over here, and best part is, of course, the views on either side. Thank you so much for touring with us through Ruby Villas. As you can see, this is a high quality, well-built condo community here on Caye Caulker, south of the split, just a 5-minute walk into the heart of downtown. Views of the Caribbean and the reef right there, views of the sunset and the bay right over there. It really does not get much better than this. Pricing starts at $299 with 50% seller financing available. Reach out for availability and more information. 2 of the 7 condos have already sold, so we do have limited inventory, but reach out. We'll get all that information over to you. You can scan above me, or you can email us info@lunarealtybelize.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye, everyone.